Hello and thanks so much for tuning in. In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about Offshoot's duplicate detection and when it becomes useful for your workflow. Offshoot automatically detects duplicate files when copying data into an existing folder. If it detects a duplicate, it won't copy the file if the following criteria are met. An identically named file already exists in the folder, that file has the same byte size as the one you want to copy, and it has the same modification date. Skipped files will be logged in a transfer log under the Skipped File section. If any of the mentioned criteria is not met, Offshoot will copy the file and rename them using the finder's duplicate naming convention. Recognize the number 2 here? In this example I show you here, I renamed the file by myself just to test it, and Offshoot copied it. It's a neat function, especially if you didn't format a card after ingesting its data and then continued recording on it. Usually, you must manually check which files you have already copied from that card, or copy it anyways and bin your hard drives with redundant data. But Offshoot now has got your back. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you think this functionality of Offshoot is beneficial for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these tutorials, and until the next time.